So, it was still my favorite divorce in day. So I was reading the sweetest terror, and she was 4 years down the stair and fucking stupid. So I better taken on with some better in motor in the car and faking out and embarrassing the direction the mask. So he was staring, his brother is there just through sticking our fakies or fake money for how you stay on the river. I don't know. It's whether it's faking the West Tigers too. So he was staring there and his brother stopped to me just he just gives me fucking away. Like when he was faking staring, they were staring at you and you still away. So he was sure thinking store still everything he sort of tried and spread his word blast of faking the sport and he couldn't swear wisely. So if I was he was there and they I was stories tagging. But I wouldn't store it as you because it was taking off 5 years too. It's where you stop.